In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unpublish Activecampaign landing page. If you have a landing page that is currently live and you need to take it offline, Activecampaign makes it quick to unpublish it without deleting your work. Unpublishing is helpful when you are updating a page, pausing a campaign, or you simply do not want visitors to access that page for now. The page will remain in your account along with its design and settings, but it will no longer be publicly available. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Activecampaign account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Site. This area is where Activecampaign keeps the tools related to your website and landing pages. After you click Site, look for the option called Pages and click it. This will take you to the section where all of your landing pages are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific page you want to unpublish. If you have multiple pages with similar names, go slowly and confirm you are selecting the correct one so you do not accidentally take the wrong page offline. Once you find the page, look to the right side of that page entry for the Edit button. Next to Edit, there is a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to open additional actions for that page. This menu includes options beyond editing, including the one you need for this process. In the drop-down menu, click Unpublish. Activecampaign will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to unpublish the page. This extra confirmation is useful, especially if you are managing several pages at once. To complete the process, click Unpublish again to confirm. After you confirm, the page is no longer published, meaning it should not be accessible to visitors through its live link. Keep in mind that it may take a short moment for the change to fully reflect, depending on how the page is being accessed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.